Earth's surface experiences many different forms of severe weather. Today, I will be discussing one of these geographic phenomena, a tropical cyclone. A tropical cyclone has the power to create mass destruction. They've caused devastating effects on countless lives due to their catastrophic winds and heavy precipitation. The name of the tropical cyclone is dependent on its geographical location. A hurricane develops in the Atlantic and eastern Pacific Oceans, and cyclones or typhoons develop in the western Pacific and Indian Oceans. The formation of a tropical cyclone is very complex and largely dictated by environmental factors. It begins in the tropics as a weak disturbance. As they pass through the environment, they will either strengthen into a tropical cyclone or weaken and ultimately disappear. In order to become a tropical cyclone, they must reach low enough pressures and high enough wind speeds. A specific environmental factor that affects the strength of a tropical cyclone is water temperature. If the cyclone encounters warm ocean water, it will likely strengthen as the heat generates additional moisture, which will create more latent heat during condensation. Latent heat is necessary for cyclone expansion. If the cyclone encounters cold ocean water, the opposite will occur. No additional moisture will be created, thermal energy will be lost to the ocean, and the cyclone will lose its driving forces. The significance of the ocean's water temperature in tropical cyclone development is a major concern for the future of these severe storms due to the undeniable impacts of climate change. As the ocean's temperature rises, so will the intensity of these tropical cyclones. Tropical cyclones cause many damaging effects to Earth's surface. These effects include severe winds, large waves, flooding, and storm surge. In order to gauge the impact a storm will have on the affected land, meteorologists created a scale, the Saffir-Simpson scale, based on wind speed. All in all, tropical cyclones are perfect examples of the geographical phenomena that exist on our dynamic planet Earth. It is important that we continue to increase our knowledge on this form of severe weather as tropical cyclones have damaging effects. This informational video references sections 5.13, 5.14, and 7.13 in Exploring Physical Geography by Reynolds.